I'm here in the barn at Hackberry Farm and we're working on another project for Redlands Ranch. This time we're making custom made sandbags. And so I've got my trusty scissors. Actually, these things are probably 40 years old, I think. Almost 40 years old, going on 40 years old. These were the scissors I had when I was a freshman in high school when all the boys in my little school had to take home ec. So I've still got them. They're still sharp. I'm gonna spend the next few minutes cutting material and then we're gonna go on to the next step of this project.